Hi everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for today's Monday meal. And also, happy birthday, Martin Luther King Jr. His birthday was January 15th, which is yesterday, but that is why we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day in January. It's around his birthday, and we thank him for all of his contributions to our country. And we hope that his dream comes true. So thank you, Martin Luther King Jr. And so, happy birthday to him. And today's Monday meal is from our friends at Stunning Misadventures on YouTube. It is a one-pot broccoli chicken pasta meal. And we just love one-pot meals. And they have a whole playlist of just one-pot meals on their YouTube channel. So we highly recommend it. But this one, we're using canned chicken, or you can use leftover rotisserie chicken if you buy one at the store. But we love that too, so we don't have to thaw anything out today. So that is what Mom's making today. It is so easy and it looks and smells delicious. She might drop me some chicken. It's going to be a good Monday. So hopefully you guys will give it a try. Give us a thumbs up if you like our video and subscribe if you haven't already. We hope you guys have a great Monday. And again, happy birthday, Martin Luther King Jr. And thank you so much for everything you did. All right. Chef Yoda the dog.
Hey everyone, like Yoda said, we are doing a recipe today that's from our friends at Stunning Misadventures YouTube channel. On YouTube, of course. And this one is a one-pot meal. They have a whole playlist of just one-pot meals. It's awesome. This one is the one-pot chicken broccoli pasta meal. And so let me tell you what we got in here right now. We're waiting on it to boil, which it looks like it's getting close. We've got 2 cans. Now I doubled the recipe, okay, so just so you know. And I'm gonna link to their original video below, which has the recipe in it. So there are 2 cans of chunk chicken breasts. They said use leftover rotisserie chicken as well. That's fine. I used 2 boxes of gluten-free penne pasta. I used a teaspoon of oregano, actually 2 teaspoons, because their recipe called for 1. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper and half a teaspoon of sea salt, and this was originally 1/4 of a teaspoon in the original recipe, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, again 1 teaspoon in the original, and then I used this Better Than Bouillon base. You're supposed to use 4 cups of chicken broth, but I doubled it, so 8, and then there's 8 teaspoons of that because 1 teaspoon equals 1 cup of chicken broth. So that's what's in here, and then we let it boil, come to a boil on medium-high heat, which it is doing now, and then we're going to cover it. So we've got our cover here. We're going to cover it. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook for 4 minutes. So we've got this covered. We reduce the heat to medium-low, and we're going to cook for 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. I've stirred it, and now I've added broccoli. So we've steamed our broccoli, frozen broccoli. We steamed it. We've added that. We've added another, it's supposed to be half a cup of chicken stock, but I did a full cup of chicken stock and a full cup of water. And that's it. And we're going to recover it and cook it for another 4 to 6 minutes. 4 to 6 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. All right, and for the last step, we added, well, we doubled the recipe. So 1.5 cups of cream. So we used the rest of this Country Crock plant cream, and then we used Silk dairy-free heavy whipping cream, and then a cup of Parmesan cheese. So we're using this Follow Your Heart dairy-free Parmesan. We use the rest of this and then part of the shredded. So that's what's in here. Stir it up until the sauce is creamy. And that's it. Very easy, very quick, and very yummy. Thanks so much, Stunning Misadventures. Y'all check out their video in the link below. Bye. Happy Monday.